Hey leaders, hope you're doing amazing. This is Mark. I am the systems and automation specialist of our company Ivy Leads. And right now I'm going to show you an awesome tutorial that you can absolutely use for your email marketing and take it to the next level. Now, as you know, a lot of people are using emails and your goal is to really stand out and get those, higher open rates and even being more creative on the actual content, which I'm going to show you an awesome hack. Now, what if you have an awesome reel or like a video, right? And the one way to actually utilize it for your email marketing is creating GIFs, right? Not even just on email, on some other things as well. But for example, that I'm going to show you is how to create a video to a GIF and how to attach that to an actual email. So I'm going to show you an example. This is one of our emails. And right now you are seeing a video from our Instagram and it was converted to a GIF. Now, the first step to do is to get that video on your local computer. If you don't have that yet, just download that. And if you do, then the second step is to go to easygif.com. That's easygif.com, and then you can see this interface. Now, from here, you just have to choose the file, upload the video in this interface. Just click on that button and then find that video. And once that is, uploaded, click on upload the video and wait for a couple of minutes. And from there, it will, show you these information and settings. Now, for the start time and end time, if you want to modify that, go ahead and maybe crop like in the middle of the video if you want to. But if you want to include the whole video, then you don't have to change anything there. Now, for the size, I advise you to use 320 times auto, just because, sometimes it's um, hard or it's not even allowed to upload, you know, big GIFs in the system. So just keep it, little this size so that you can upload that and utilize in the email. Now for that, you don't have to change anything else. Just click on convert to GIF and for a couple of seconds it will show you the converted one. Now from an actual video like this is about 15 seconds. There you go. It was converted to a GIF. So this is powerful because you can send this to your social media DMs or utilize that in the email as what my example is today. So the only thing you need to do is download this GIF. Just right click on the GIF and save image, and from there you can rename it and you are good to go. Now you have the GIF. Now the next thing to do is to attach that on the email. So what you want to do is just drag the image element, because you're gonna use that to put the GIF. So click on replace, and from here you can upload the GIF and find that from your computer. And once that's uploaded here, for example this one, then just double click and now it is attached here. Now bear in mind that you can take this even further, right? You have attached a GIF, but if you actually have a post, regarding the same video, like, this example, we posted this on our Instagram. Now you want to attach the link of that post into this GIF, you know, so that if someone opens your email and they click on the video, it will direct them to that actual social media post. So it's like you are taking them from email to social media, and you're kind of like promoting two different, um, avenue or your channels. So the only thing you need to do is click on that GIF and then paste the link here, where it says linked optional, so that you can use that. All right, and then also if you wanna reduce the size, like for example this one is a lot bigger, then just put 300 and play around if that's like the perfect size for you, or if not you can add or reduce the width. All right, hope you learned something today regarding email. once you use the GIFs, it will, take your emails to the next level and really get those conversions coming. If you have any questions, let us know, and so we can create those tutorial video for you. Have a great weekend.